Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down on your home screen to pull down your notifications, then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left to the second page, and that's where the toggle is located for me. So once you see this toggle, you can hold it. This will then take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. Now I'll touch upon only a couple options that I find important, which I'm going to start off with the schedule right at the bottom, and we have two pre-made ones, but you can make your own ones right here. Now editing the pre-made ones, you can see in here we have the option to change days of the week, this will turn the Do Not Disturb mode on. We have start and end time during each one of these days of the week. Now going back, we have people. Here you can select who can call you or message you, with calls having an additional option for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. And the last thing that I consider relatively good is the duration for quick settings. This gives us 3 options, but the only option that I'm interested in is the for 1 hour, and we'll just make it a little bit longer, like 4 hours. What this will do is when enabled, or when we confirm this, when I enable the Do Not Disturb mode, it will enable for the 4 hours. So the reason I'm recommending this option is because I personally, that's kind of how I'm basing this, I tend to forget about it. So if I were to enable it just on a random occasions, I do it so rarely that I never will remember that it's enabled once I'm done needing it, and it will just stay enabled till I recall that, hey, I enabled it like a week ago. And from there I'll just tap on it to turn it off. But with the timer that we have set, after 4 hours the mode will turn off on its own. Obviously I can also turn it off prematurely by tapping on a toggle once again, and this will turn it off before that timer runs out. So there we go. And obviously, as you've seen, you enable your Do Not Disturb mode by simply tapping on it. And if you're planning to use a schedule mode in here, just make sure that the schedule mode is toggled on like so. And you don't need to do anything extra. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.